next option is shell. Shell is nothing but if you want to create one object, like suppose I'll explain you a different kind of example, because every time I'm using same kind of body. So see, this is one random object, okay, and you just want to create one extrude, okay, and here I'm giving you one option, like if you want to remove this face, okay, not only removing this face, I just want this solid object to convert into hello body. Use this shell, select face, and enter the thickness, how much wall thickness you want. I want just 2 mm, and just okay. See, by selecting this face, remaining object is converted into shell. This is how you're going to use shell option, okay. And now here you have shell inward, shell outward. That means, okay, the shell object is created into inside thickness. If you want to create outside thickness, you just need to enter values this. That means this is your original sketch, and remaining 2 mm has been created into outer side, okay. So this is how you're going to use this one. Sir, how you know this is inside or outside? Means if you create with dimensions, like this is 150, right? Okay, we extruded 150. I'll show you this. Measure this line. See, this is 150. The inside is 150, and this will be 154. So why it is 4? This is 2 mm thickness, and this is also 2 mm thickness. That's the reason it is 154. So what if I selected this into inside? Okay, now this outer sketch is 150 remains same. Now the inner sketch measure, the inner sketch will remain 146. Okay, I hope you have got. And one more option I want to tell you in this case. See, multi thickness is nothing but, okay, now you have created, this is the 2 mm, okay, the object is created. Okay, what, just remember one thing, multi-layer, if you want to select this, I want this, but I want this 12 mm, okay, I want this with, okay, I want this 12 mm, okay, just click OK. See, whatever the selected areas multi shell 12 mm, the 10 mm extra will be added inside for these two areas, and remaining areas will remain 2 mm itself. See, okay, this is how you're going to use multi thickness. Most very rare case we use this, okay, and just hide, okay. And one more thing I want to show you, if you want to use multiple options like this, okay, like this, just click OK. See, okay, and remember one thing, whenever you select this face, the face will remain and the remaining object will convert into shell. See, okay. And what if I see, I'm selecting this shell, again I'm entering 2, okay, just click OK. It will comes as an error, and sorry, it will comes under an error, because just assume it, the object has only 2 mm thickness. How can you make it 2 mm again shell? It's not possible practically, right? So that's the reason what I'm doing now. If I use this as a 1 mm, okay, that means this will convert into the one object, single object, okay, and remaining will create 1 mm thickness on this area. That means this object, this whatever the area is, has been created as a separate body. On that body you have created one shell by removing this face. Okay, I hope you understand this. It's a very simple thing. Only one thing you have to remember, while creating shell option, you must understand that at a time you can select n number of faces, doesn't matter, but once you have done, okay, and the remaining shell, I mean, once you have done this, okay, after creating the shell option, if you want to create again one more shell, and the shell thickness, the second shell thickness should be less than the first one. Understand this. That means the first shell has 2 mm, and if you want to create the same object, again same object on same shell number, you need to enter less than the first object thickness. That's it. The shell option has been completed right now. Simple object, but very simple option, but very effective and very useful object. This one, very useful option. This one.